Hello, my lovely students, and welcome back to English with Andy. Today, we're doing a grammar lesson, and we're going all the way back to the basics. We're going to talk about a topic that so many English learners miss, and even a lot of native speakers don't fully understand: clauses. But that ends today. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what a clause is, why it's so important, and how understanding clauses will help you improve your English dramatically. Let's dive in.
What is a clause?
What is a clause? You might have heard the word clause before, but what does it actually mean? A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. It can be a complete sentence or just part of a sentence. A key thing to remember is that a clause must have meaning on its own. It doesn't need extra information to make sense. A simple sentence can be made up of just one clause. For example, the dog runs. Subject, the dog. Verb, runs. This is a simple sentence made up of one clause. In English, we have two main types of clauses, and understanding them is crucial for building proper sentences. Number one, the independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that has a subject and a verb and can stand alone as a complete sentence. It doesn't need help from other clauses. It's also called a main clause. Here are some examples. Erica reads. They play. We sit. These are all complete, meaningful sentences on their own. Number two, the dependent clause. A dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, is a group of words that has a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand on its own as a sentence. It adds information to the main part of a sentence and usually starts with a conjunction like before, because, so, or if. Examples: before she goes to sleep, and we ate, but it fell. These examples don't make sense by themselves. They are called dependent because they depend on an independent clause to complete their meaning. Let's combine them to see how it works. Erica reads before she goes to sleep. Deeper dive. Types of dependent clauses. Now let's look at three specific types of clauses: noun clauses, adverb clauses, and adjective clauses. A noun clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb that acts like a single noun. This can be confusing, but here's how to understand it. Noun clauses often start with words like that, how, who, what, where, when, or why. For example, she knew how it broke. We saw where they went. The easy trick to check if it's a noun clause: you can replace the entire clause with a single pronoun. She knew how it broke. She knew him. It works. Adverb clauses are dependent clauses that act as an adverb, giving more detail about when, where, why, or how an action happens. They often start with subordinating conjunctions like after, as, though, since, or because. These clauses are flexible and can go at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. If you pay for the snacks, I'll get the pizza. I'll get the pizza if you pay for the snacks. Paula had to help set up because she was early. Adjective clauses. An adjective clause is a dependent clause that acts as an adjective. It gives more information about a noun or pronoun, and it usually comes right after the word it modifies. We often use words like that, which, whom, or whose. Examples: Constantine, whose birthday is tomorrow, is going to be late. Mom's hometown, which we're going to visit in spring, is very far away. Notice that the adjective clause just adds extra detail. If you take it out, the sentence still makes perfect sense. Constantine is going to be late, and Mom's hometown is very far away. Finally, we have coordinate clauses. These are two or more independent clauses linked together, usually by a coordinating conjunction, like and, but, or so. Example. She's traveling by train, but she prefers to travel by car. Both parts of this sentence can stand alone, and the conjunction but links them together.
That's it for today.
Now it's your turn to practice. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, where all the videos have full subtitles to help you with listening and vocabulary. I'll see you soon for another lesson. Bye.